Hey, what's up, guys? It's Cyber Monday. The entire Bath & Body Works store is 40% off right now. Yeah, everything is 40% off in stores and online. If you want to shop online, you can get free shipping on orders of $50, but you have to use the code Monday. But yes, we have the body care, wallflowers, candles, hand soaps. I guess they have ideas for like stocking stuffers and new arrivals. They also have another sale that's going on, a flash sale for retire scents, and they are all $6. But this sale ends at noon, so if you want to get some of those retired scents, you're gonna have to hurry up because the sale will be ending soon. But yeah, they do have a lot of like nice scents in the retired section, so I will go check that out. Let's see what they have in the stocking stuffers. I want to see what like the ideas that they have for stocking stuffers. Okay, so just like little, basically like the single wick soaps and stuff like that. The smaller items, obviously. Oh, they have socks. When did they get socks? Interesting. I never knew they had socks. Shea infused socks. That is interesting. But yeah, they have the car fragrance refills, wallflowers, the little hand creams. That's a pretty good idea for stocking stuffers, I would say. Lip glosses. Ooh, lip glosses. That's a good one. The actual wallflower plugs. What is this penguin thing? Oh, the car fragrance holder. Okay, they got the lip scrubs, candle magnet. That looks pretty cool. What else do they have? Okay, more lip glosses. Look at this. Oh, the fuzzy bear. Oh my gosh. Look at that, you guys. The car fragrance holder. I never bought the car fragrances before, but I feel like that's something I would get. That fuzzy bear. The minis, the mini fragrance mists, another car fragrance holder. It's just like a pom-pom looking thing. Oh, the cosmetic bag, which is sold out. Oh, the gingerbread man, pocket bag holder. My mom really likes gingerbread men, so she would probably like something like that, but they're sold out. That's a bummer. They have the eucalyptus spearmint mini gift set. That would be nice as a stocking stuffer. Okay, let's see what else they have here. New arrivals. Oh, I just clicked hand soaps. I wanted to click new arrivals. Okay. New arrivals. Okay. Sweet cranberry pie. Yeah, the candles, hand soaps, body care. Everything is 40% off right now. Even the perfume is 40%. Okay. Oh, and the gingham advent calendar gift set is 40% off. So the entire store, when they say the entire store, they really mean the entire store. That's nice that they did that. And the retired fragrances, y'all can just like come to the website, I guess, because there's quite a few, 76 different items. They have the Snowy Morning that just became a retired scent, Frosted Snow Blossom. I think that's the only like Christmassy scents that they have. Yeah. So yeah, you guys, that's the sale that's going on right now. But don't forget, if you want to get some of those $6 retired fragrances, you're going to have to hurry up because it ends at noon. It says right here, ends at noon. But yeah, you guys, that's going to be all for this video, you guys. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all that, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye. God bless.